Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Pooch. I work at Artistic Element in Yucaipa. This is Sullen TV Hot Seat. All right, cool. Ready?
Yep.
None. Booty shorts, hell yeah. Get it, clap it. Biggie, come on, really? Both. Bitch. You said the first thing that popped in the head.
That's good, man.
Both. Zombies. Fake. All of them. None. Hell no. None. Next question. Clinton smokes weed. Weed. Europe. Both. Yeah. That freaky shit. Go ahead.
Yeah, man.
Apples. Kermit. Star Wars, come on, ain't a Trekkie, hell no. Top, bottom, what? Top. Bugs. Briefs. Batman. Shaved. Kool-Aid. Go ahead.
I knew it. I knew that was coming.
Or grape drink, either one, you know what I'm saying? It's cool with me. John Wick. Hung fat.
Totally thought about
He's on the $20 bill.
Nigga, I don't know how to spend it. I'll be honest with you, I ain't gonna lie, make myself sound stupid. I don't know.
Krispy Kreme or Dunkin' Donuts?
Both. You don't see this physique player? Both.